Hello. So let's come to the point. Last video I make on the domain unblocking, and in the last video I share everything in detail how we can unblock our blog domain on Facebook. And if you do not watch my last video, you can please watch my last video. In the last video, I make everything in detail. I share everything in detail. I even share my website where I write everything in detail how to unblock a domain from Facebook. So let's get started. In the last video, this is my client and I unblocked this website. If you watched my last video, you have an idea how I did this. So basically the reason of this video is I want to show you the result of my work and the result of my steps and my process that I did on the my previous video. And this is my part 2 of last video and the last part. And because of the reason of this part is to show you the result of my last working on this domain. So please check. Here I post the same domain. Now working fine now. Elder note, if you want to open this website and if you this is related to the dedicated server and this type. If you want to copy any page and let's paste on it and let's see what happened. So you can see the working fine now and the website is unblocked by Facebook. It will take up to 24 hours because yesterday I make a video on it. It's up to last yesterday almost 8 to 10 a.m. I make a video on same domain, and now it's unblocked and I will make another video for you guys because of last in the last video I share everything in detail how to unblock domain from Facebook, and this is the resultant part of my last video. In this video I share the results of my work on same domain. So if you want to unblock your domain, you can please contact us. We will also provide you this service. We will unblock your domains and we will definitely help you, and feel free to contact us. We will mention our WhatsApp number in the description below and our email. You can reach out, and if you have any query related to these things, you can please do comments or contact us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you so much, and please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you so much.